Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you create a WhatsApp channel. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to create a channel, you just simply have to open your WhatsApp application at very first. Then after opening the WhatsApp application, you will just simply have to go over this updates section. Just simply tap to updates, and after that you will get to see this three dot into top right corner. Just simply tap into that, and then you will get this option of create channel. Just simply tap to create channel, and after this you just simply have to tap to agree and continue. But first you can read community guidelines if you really need helps with WhatsApp guidelines. Then tap to agree and continue. Now you can easily select channel name. I'm writing demo because I'm creating this channel to show you. Then you have to add a description about your channel, where you have to explain the motive of your channel into this description piece. Then tap to create channel, and after doing this much, your channel will easily be created into WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.